We got a new mod today for the E92. Made it to Daniel's house. We got his G80, his M4, and my E92. And like I said, today we are installing some new mods on the M3. And this is for you guys. We're trying to make this car even better for whoever wins this thing. I'm a little jealous because I'm not even gonna get to enjoy it. But we got some seat, what are they called? Sliders. We got some seat sliders going in the car. These bucket seats don't have sliders, so they're kind of just positioned for me and me only. But what if somebody that wins the car is taller or shorter than me? So the size will be better for that. And then we also got something very special in this box from our guys over at Beamer Plug. This is what I'm excited for and that I'm a little jealous of. Damn, Beamer Plug. Rich. In this box, we got, ooh, we got a new screen. This is the whole iDrive system. It's not gonna be touchscreen, which this one is not because it's from like 2008. So it's touchscreen now, and it has Apple CarPlay, which is fire. I feel like every car needs Apple CarPlay. Again, I'm just trying to make the car just better for whoever wins this, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love this. Now this, I don't know, Daniel. Beamer Plug said it's pretty easy to install, but this does not look pretty easy, bro. What the heck is all these wires? It's probably plug and play. Daniel's here to help and save the day, and he's gonna help me install this. But yeah, don't forget, we are giving this car away. We only got a couple more weeks left till the winner gets chosen. All you gotta do is go to the website, grab a t-shirt like the one that Chris is wearing, a hoodie, even a sticker pack. It can get you entered into winning this entire M3, guys. Every $1 spent, get you one entry. And yeah, someone's gonna be driving this car home. Are you jealous? I told Chris he can't win, so he's very mad at whoever wins this. I was gonna spend money, but I was like... I told him none of my friends can win, bro. It's insane, bro. Like, it's literally like the perfect M3 in my eyes. T's, the carbon, the cage. It might. It could go to Alaska. Whoever wins, though, I'm gonna fly them out here to LA, and they're gonna kick it with us, get a ride along in all the cars, and pick up their car in person. It's gonna be sick. This car is like very outdated as far as like the entertainment system. Oh, and this too, like, look, there's like a glass now. So now it's gonna be touchscreen. Yeah, look how old this is, bro. Entertainment. Look how long it takes to even get there. Box. That's how you know it's just old.
Almost
as old as you.
No, I'm 26.
Don't say me, bro. I'm as old as the E36 M3. It was the same year as me, you know that? My E36? I'm old.
Am I E46?
Where you born?
99.
I think you are E46, brother. It's crazy that some kids watching this video are probably as old as this. 2008.
I'm calling you right now. Someone that's gonna win this car is gonna be younger than the fucking car.
Dude, this car looks so good. I'm also really debating on doing this color on one of my other cars, guys. I don't know which one, the Supra or the R8, but I think the Supra would look good with the chrome TEs.
The R8 would look sexy.
The R8 would look insane. I do want to wrap it before car week. It's literally my favorite red. It gets so many compliments.
It's your red.
FindingNick red, G. And if you guys want to grab one of these for your E92 or any carbon fiber and stuff for all the BMWs, definitely hit up Beamer Plug and use code FindingNick. I'll give you guys a discount on anything you order. We got a Beamer Plug lip on this car and the Beamer Plug diffuser. So yeah, any carbon fiber, you know where to go. Daniel got the seat sliders on, and bro, these things come in clutch. Let's do yours. There you go. So now Chris can finally drive the car comfortably.
Daniel coming in clutch.
It's way better now, huh? And they feel way more sturdy.
Come on, let me buy it, please.
No, bro. Bro, this hella room now, look at it. Oh yeah, and also, look at the car, bro. It looks freaking destroyed. Salvage.
Look at the mosquitoes about to bite you.
What, where? Again, I'm just trying to make the car better for you guys. Whoever wins this car. I did not need to do all this, bro. I'm doing it for you guys. I could have just gave the car away like that, but nah. I want to give you guys a sick E92. Something that you guys are going to enjoy. But yeah, look, this is before. Damn, it's all scratched too. All those years of owning this car. And then this is after, now with the touchscreen. Look how many wires there are. Teamwork makes the dream work.
I got bit like 10 times.
Oh, it's starting. It's working, G. Damn, that shit looks crazy already. Oh shit, it's working. No way we could go online. No way I could watch YouTube videos on this, bro.
Watch porn.
No way you could shop findingnick.com to buy merch on this. Alright guys, and just like that, we got CarPlay in E92. I'm actually so jealous for whoever wins this car. It's all touchscreen, look at this. And then you can also, which I'm trying to fix right now, but you can also push menu and it'll go to the OEM screen. I just don't know why it's stretched. We gotta figure that out. But it's cool because you can check like the oil here still and your service info. Just pulled the screen protector. You're lucky I'm not one of those people that, that like keeping that. There's no way we can watch YouTube. Look at this. Finding Nemo? Literally watching YouTube on the E92. I'm pretty sure we could drive around like this too. Watch movies on a road trip. Yo, this is sick. None of my cars have this. Not even my G80, not even the newest car I have. Because you can't lie, this is probably the sickest mod I've ever done.
Yeah.
Like probably the sickest thing I've ever done in any of my cars. I'm watching my YouTube videos, bro. Again, if you guys want to do this to your E92, definitely hit a Beamer plug. I'll leave a link down below, and also use code FindingNick, like I said, and get you guys a discount on this. And you can come to Daniel to install it on there.
Oh yeah, we'll put it on. So at least a nice mod.
Yeah, this is awesome, bro. I swear this is the coolest thing I ever did. I think whoever wins this car is gonna be so hyped, dude.
I know. The rails are working.
Yup, the seat rails work. Everything works. This car is perfect, guys. Like, it's honestly so sick. I am getting more and more sad that I'm giving it away. All right, guys, it is now the next day, and I cannot get over how sick the CarPlay is. The fact that it looks super OEM too, like it does not look aftermarket whatsoever. I do gotta take off these little stickers, but dude, it looks so OEM. And the fact that you can watch YouTube videos too, like I think that's the coolest part. This car just keeps getting better and better, but right now Dave is about to detail it for me, get it all clean, because it is a little dirty. And we're also gonna detail the G82, because the G80 is super dirty. If you guys remember the last video, the wheels are like brown because of all the brake dust. And if he has time, maybe I'll have him watch the R8 too. I'm about to keep David busy today. He hasn't watched any of my cars, even my Supra, bro. You guys haven't even seen the Supra, but if you guys seen it, you'd be like, what the heck? I don't remember the last time the Supra's been washed. I wish they had CarPlay like this, like back in the day. Like, bro, I drove this car for years without CarPlay. It makes the car look so much newer too. Again, shop findingnick.com. You guys could win this freaking car. Also, you guys notice anything different? David's car's not wrapped no more. This is the new van?
Oh yeah, should we talk about it?
But I haven't even seen it. Yeah, it's not the same van, guys. I know it's the same model, but he freaking crashed it.
I didn't crash it, it hit me.
Someone hit you?
Yeah.
You hit somebody.
Hey, does it look nice though?
Yeah, it looks good.
It looks better than my other one.
It looks clean. It looks brand new.
Well, because it's 2021.
Oh, damn, you already put everything in here? Yeah, unfortunately, someone pulled out in front of David.
What do you guys think I should do? Should I put decals? Or should I?
Yeah, I think you should. You put the decal back on.
I was thinking about matte gray. Imagine matte gray and then decal on top of that.
You should wrap it in the FindingNick red color.
Imagine that shit will be hard.
It will look clean. Look, we got the red inside too. I think that look fire. What do you guys think? Should David do the FindingNick red? Before David washes the G80 now, I want him to try to drive it.
This shit is hard.
But you haven't driven manual in so long? Yeah.
Oh, I'm stupid.
No way you were putting the clutch.
Oh my god, is that short? Like that?
Yeah, like that.
Nah.
Isn't it crazy? Bro, this shit is so different.
That's it?
Yeah.
Well, it feels like I'm gonna miss.
You can see right here, if it's in second, then
it feels like I'm gonna grind the gear. Oh my god, it's fucking hard, bro.
It feels crazy, huh?
Well, I want to see actually like right now, bro. It feels like I'm a grinding gear.
I know, it's really different to get used to this shit. And you haven't driven manual in so long, bro.
Well, this clutch is so hard to get used to.
And the clutch is upgraded.
I don't think you guys understand. This shit feels like I'm doing 100 pounds on leg press.
Yeah, this car's not an easy car to drive now. Yeah, like it's kind of a lot. But please like do a second gear pull.
Not that bad. I'm
crazy, huh?
Like a motherfucker because I don't know.
You gotta like really put it in.
But you gotta be driving on the freeway.
Yeah, on the freeway you have fun.
Bro, this shit's fucking hard, bro.
It's so funny.
Bro, but my legs are getting a workout right now.
You're not doing bad though. This car, bro, like you gotta like really rev it out to get into boost. Like you didn't even got into boost yet. You gotta drive on the freeway.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Like I want you to get into boost and like feel how fast this shit is.
I feel like the freeway will feel way better. Does it spin?
Yeah.
Right?
Now it's scary. How's the shifter though?
That shit feels way better, bro. Watch,
It literally feels like a race car. It sounds sick, huh?
No way, you got a red cable back. It's so weird.
Oh, the red cable?
Not that serious.
All right, David washed the E92, so this thing's all clean now. It's freaking spotless, bro. Look how clean it is. Whoever wins this car is a lucky man. Nah, it's his car.
I just wanted to see the turbo setup.
It's his car.
I see the turbo setup on this one.
Yeah, I'll show you. Okay.
Dude,
It's insane, huh?
that thing is genuinely fucking bonkers.
I know, bro. Damn, look how clean this is. Yeah, like I was saying, whoever wins this car is very freaking lucky, bro. This car is so beautiful.
Hey, bro, it's all the same color.
People trip out when they see the G80. Brother, I feel like everyone forgot I even owned this car. I'm gonna be honest, even I forgot I owned this car. Look, I'm having David wash the Supra now. E92, the G80, and now the Supra. Bro, I don't remember the last time this thing's been washed. Look how dusty it is. It's been a while then, huh? It's probably been like a month. Yeah, this shit dusty. The wheels don't even look chrome. This is like the one car that I like drive the least on camera. Don't get me wrong though, I do drive this car a lot off camera. Like my daily get around, do errands stuff. This is the car I drive all the time because the other cars are a little too crazy to drive. The G80 obviously is like a lot to drive now with the manual, headlight delete. It's not like an everyday car. The R8 twin turbo. I also don't want nothing to happen to the R8. It's like my baby. I would hate for someone to like rear end it or something. The Corvette's just obnoxious. You cannot drive that every day. This is honestly like the perfect daily for all the everyday errands and stuff. So yeah, that's why it's all freaking dust. And no, I'm sorry I haven't made a lot of content on this car. We are gonna make some soon though. I have plans on getting a carbon fiber hood soon, so that's on the way. It's actually been on the way, so hopefully it gets here soon. But carbon fiber hood, I gotta fix this front fitment. I gotta get some new tires for the front. And then I think I'm gonna wrap it a new color. I might do the E92 red or something else that's really different that I haven't done before. We are gonna start putting some more time into the Supra soon. I just haven't in a while. There's been a lot going on. Trying to get this car done, trying to give away the E92. It's been a lot. And this shit is clean now. You guys remember how bad the wheels were? This car looks so good when it's clean. Dude, I love this car. JD might be my favorite in the fleet right now. Before we end the video, I think it's a pretty short video, so I'm sorry, but I'm trying to push out as much content as I can. Tomorrow is a big day. We got a new mod in here for the Corvette Z06. I haven't driven this car in a very long time. I already know it's not gonna start because I tried to start it yesterday and it did not start, bro. Luckily, I have this little jump box, portable jump box. It was so dead yesterday, so I literally couldn't start it. So today, I charged it and let's hopefully it powers up the Corvette. Tomorrow, we have a new mod in this box for this car. And I'm not gonna show you guys yet, but in this box is a new mod and it's gonna be insane, dude. If you guys got any idea what's in that box, comment down below, let me know. If you guys thought the Corvette was crazy now, just wait, brother. It's about to get crazier. Bro, it's so dead that even these things are like dim. The battery is dead. Let's hope this even works, because if this doesn't work, I don't know what I'm gonna do. As you can see, I already tried it literally yesterday and it did not start. I got carbon fiber pieces in here. The Corvettes, I just blinded the heck out of myself. If you don't know already, the Corvettes don't like being sitting for a long time. Like if you don't start this car for like a week, the battery dies. And it's a common issue on these cars. Black goes to black, red goes to red. All right, the lights turned on. That's a good sign. Yes, dude. It's alive. Bro, I love this freaking We should really quiet it down though, because it is late. See, earlier today I said my G80 was my favorite car, but then I remember I have this, and I remember that this is one of my favorite cars. It's so hard to pick. Like, literally so hard to pick, bro. Between the R8, the G80, this thing. Those three are like my top favorites, for sure. All right, might as well take it for a little drive, because I haven't driven it in so long. I think you guys deserve a little Z06 action. And the Supra earlier, too. I haven't showed that car in a long time either. It's just hard, guys. Like, it's a freaking blessing to have this many cars, but it is hard to make content with all of them at once. Like, I did see somebody comment, which I've thought about before, but like doing a different car every day. So like on Monday I drive this car, on Tuesday I drive the Supra, on Wednesday I drive the BMW. That's not a bad idea. I should start doing that. It's just hard when you have favorites and then there's like different events that you want to take certain cars to. But I'm trying to drive all of them at once. I miss this car. Like, I'm just shaking. What the fuck is that noise? You guys hear that? I noticed this noise after the video where we scared my mom in this car. That's the last time I drove this car. When I scared my mom in the vet and I let her drive it. But after that video, I started hearing something. The alternator. Sounds like something's loose. The belt's tight, which is good. Oh, I see a bolt, I think. You guys see that bolt right there? I don't think that bolt's supposed to be there. What is that bolt? I think that bolt's like coming out. I'm just not gonna drive it right now. Tomorrow, like I said, we're gonna take it to Sam's shop. Hopefully I can make it to Sam's shop driving it, and then I'll show him, because Sam obviously knows way more than I do. He also built this motor for me. I definitely don't want to mess it up, so we are not about to drive it right now. Don't you guys hate when cars break? Like, I just hate it, bro. It's the worst thing possible when a car breaks. That sucks. I was trying to give you guys some type of Z06 content, but stay tuned for tomorrow, because like I said, tomorrow's mod on this car is gonna be ridiculous. Again, if you thought this car was already crazy and obnoxious, just wait till we install that thing. If you guys enjoyed that video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure to get entered in the E92 giveaway. We only have a couple weeks left until the winner's chosen. You don't want to miss out, guys. I'm literally giving away my E92 M3, my first car ever, the car that I drove back in high school, to one of you guys. All you gotta do, go to shopfindingnick.com, get any of the new merch that we just dropped. Every $1 spent get you one entry. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.